So guys, to get the classic Paint on Windows 11, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description. Now once you're on this, it's either going to take you straight over here to Classic Paint, or it might take you to the very top of the page. If it does, you just want to scroll down until you get to the Paint section. Here it is, Classic Paint. You want to keep on scrolling down, keep going, and then click on Download Paint. And now we're going to click on the zip file that we just downloaded. Here it is right here. So you want to go to your downloads folder, and you want to find Classic Paint. You want to right click on it, and then you want to extract it. You may have WinRAR, 7-zip, but you could just use the default Windows extraction tool. So you're going to click on Extract All. I'm just going to leave it here as default, and then click on Extract. Now it's being extracted right here. You want to click on the folder, and then you want to run the Classic Paint setup. Double click on this, and then click on Yes. And now we're going to install this. So click on Next. Choose where you want to install it to. Click on Next again. And now we're going to follow these steps that come up. So it says to click on Open Settings button below. Now we're in Settings. And now it says that in the Settings app, you want to click on App Execution Aliases. So you want to click on this App Execution Aliases. And now on the next page, you want to turn off mspaint.exe and prebrush.exe. So we're going to scroll down until we find mspaint.exe. You want to turn this off, and then turn off pbrush.exe. Turn this off as well. Now we're going to go back to the setup, and then click on Next. You can choose to create a desktop icon if you want, and you can choose it for all users or just for the current user only. It's up to you. Click on Next, and then click on Install. You can untick Learn More about this app, and untick this one as well, and this one as well. And if you want, you can run Classic Paint. Click on Finish. And there we go, we now have Classic Paint, and it's now on your desktop as well. If you want, you can pin it to your taskbar. You want to right click on your taskbar and then click on Pin. And from now on, if you want to use Classic Paint, you can head over to search and type in Paint space Classic, and then this one will come up. And there you have it.